over that. And that is how Sia was launched and become Sia Silk. And here we have the brand ambassador, the new brand ambassador, the first brand ambassador of Sia, Parvati Chopra, the style icon of the Indian film industry. Okay,
we'll start and then हम लोग बाद में भी कर लेते हैं. Come. You have a speech and you're nervous.
Definitely, I don't do this for a living.
That's true. But don't worry.
I prefer sitting on a
Any
chair.
mistake is no problem.
Yeah, still, my first time in front of so
What if I take it back from you and then you'll die?
living. Death is not an option.
I think if we are done with the photography session, we start the proceedings.
I feel like I'm cheating.
I'll like.
With your permission, definitely.
It's gonna happen.
I just realized how much harder your job is.
My job is.
So here we have the new brand ambassador, the first brand ambassador of Sia, and I would like to say a few words about Parvati. कहते हैं कि किसी के पास कुछ नहीं होता है तो उस पे हंसती है दुनिया. किसी के पास कुछ नहीं होता है तो उस पे हंसती है दुनिया. किसी के पास सब कुछ होता है तो उससे जलती है दुनिया. और सिया के पास है परिणीति जैसी ब्रांड एम्बेसडर जिसके लिए तरसती है दुनिया.
क्या बात.
Sir, so sweet. Thank you.
Friends, without taking much of your time, I know we are a little delayed. May I request our young generation, the young leader who came up with this idea of Sia, the innovative idea of making Sia
You see what's going to happen. It'll be a
I
disaster.
request Harshit to come up or say a few words from there itself.
You have to stand now, come on.
Can I have a mic?
Which quite a few of you all would have had is why a press conference. Well, the house of Sia Rams, you can hear me, right?
सबको सुनाई दे रहा है?
Thank you. The house of
हाँ.
नहीं, the House of Sia Rams has always been known universally as a company that delivers high fashion, elegance, and blended fabrics for the menswear, for suitings, for shirtings, for trousers. I mean, we are almost a household name in that.
Loud sound.
Seriously, take the hand mic. Seriously.
He is introducing
Not this, not this, not this, not this.
Repeat it again. It's okay.
Chair.
The first question, which most of you must have had in mind, is why and for what are you keeping this press conference? Well, the House of Sia Rams has always been known universally as a company who delivers blended high fashion shirting and suiting fabrics. Elegance, grace, style and charisma are almost synonymous with the name of Sia Rams. It's basically a household name. So with our worldwide reputation of creating things with the panache at the back of our minds, we decided to unveil our first ever fashionable Indian ethnic and lifestyle brand, Sia, for women. And I believe that unless we try to do something beyond what we have already mastered and achieved, we can never grow. So we at Sia Rams have a history of being associated with some of the biggest names in the industry, including Hrithik Roshan, Saif Ali Khan, Lara Dutta, Priyanka Chopra, sports stars like Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Leander Paes, Mahesh Bhupati, and even Boris Becker. But success will never lower its standard to accommodate us. We have to raise our standard to achieve it. And we wanted history, right?
Very good, very good.
We wanted history to repeat itself of being associated with the best. And today, who's the best? It's none other than today's most popular style icon who appeals to the fashion-conscious girl as well as young at heart women. She's the face of India.
परिणीति, 2 लाइन आपके लिए मैं फिर से इजाजत दूं कहूं।
प्लीज।
वो पल भी क्या पल होगा जब खुदा तुम्हें बना रहा होगा। वो पल भी क्या पल होगा जब खुदा तुम्हें बना रहा होगा कि खुद खुदा भी परेशान होगा उस वक्त, क्योंकि हर कोई आपको पाने के लिए खुदा को मना रहा होगा। With these few words, may I present Pariniti to say a few words about the brand she is endorsing.
How sweet sir, thank you. मैं जब एंटर हुई थी तो मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट थी, लेकिन आई हर्ड लाइक आई थिंक टू मैनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, सो आई एम फीलिंग वेरी गुड. थैंक यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. For me, it's a very proud moment today कि Siaram and we and me have agreed to join hands to promote this new women's wear line. हम लोग हमेशा बचपन से सियाराम मेंस वेयर की ऐड देखते थे, where that come home to Siaram was a very famous tagline जो हम लोग सब गाते थे. And I guess after I became an actress, when I started thinking about what I wear, you always think of different brands and different designers that you want to work with. And of course, at some point it struck me that, Siaram's doesn't have a women line. Lo and behold, they came to me with an offer to endorse it. So I feel very proud. More than anything for the brand that I'm associated with. Also to be the first brand ambassador of the women's line, I think is a great achievement for me. And I just hope that all the nice things that you guys have said about me are true, first of all, and I hope I live up to all of that. So thank you, and I hope that this is a great, great association.
Thank you so much, Pariniti, for the kind words. Now, I would like the press to start your question answer session. You know what to
Oh God.
About the brand, the textile, the
Be prepared.
which we are going to launch. You can ask any question, but please, the questions will be restricted to Sia and its brand and the collection, the logo or whatever about Sia. Nothing else. That's all.
जी उनको माइक चाहिए.
Sorry.
They were waiting for me. Sir, say it.
That's true.
It's true. We were waiting for Pariniti.
Oh, this is the answer. Good. I was also waiting for them. I was like, मैं और कुछ sign नहीं करूँगी, मैं सिर्फ ये sign करूँगी. Actually, they have already thought of a great thing already. We always used to say, come home to Siaram. And now it's actually changed to come home to family. It's not only about the men. They've been given too much importance by Siaram. Now it's time for us also. So now it's changed to come home to family.
As she said that when she was small, she used to see that ad of come home to Siaram, and she used to feel upset. Why was it mentioned? And then she grew and she became now she said, you want to become the brand ambassador, and now it's a full circle. Come home to family.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry,
I couldn't hear.
So we can't hear you.
Total contribution of Siaram में इतना है तो साउंड का इतना है.
ये माइक दे दीजिए ना.
ये मैं मेरा माइक कर दूँ.
फर्स्ट ईयर में सियाराम के रेवेन्यू में कितना कंट्रीब्यूट कर पाएगा?
हमारा एस्टिमेट है कि इट शुड कम टू समवेयर अराउंड 15 to 20%.
सारे सेगमेंट में होगा.
All segments, all across the board. Like in Siaram, it will be all across the board.
मेरे साथ कितना? I think it's 2 years. What is it?
Why do we have to be?
It's a
Siaram.
secret.
क्या
Siaram has started with her. Why would we ever think of ending it with her? Siaram, hello. As Pariniti may have mentioned, Siaram is her baby as well. She's never gonna let it go.
Yeah.
It
That's the
started with
intention.
me, yeah. Now I won't let it go.
Sorry.
It was calling you home.
Actually,
I apologize in the beginning only for the inconvenience.
no, so much fun to come by ferry. I took the ferry, it was very exciting. I also shot Hasi to Fasi here for almost 2.5 months, so I used to come every day. So for me, it's really coming home to Mud Island. But I think more importantly, we had to shoot in the studio because we've been shooting since morning. And we had lots and lots and lots and lots of shots and lots and lots and lots and lots of clothes. So we needed like a big studio because we had many setups. So we shot here. Yeah, otherwise you can ask production. No, like I said, my association with them is absolutely new. It's absolutely brand new because Sia is a new brand. It is for women's wear, etc. And apart from my sister, many other celebrities were off and on associated with Sia Ram's the men's brand. So for me, it's a completely brand new association. Yeah. Yeah. Better without the mic. Well, I've always been, I think, I think almost 2.5 years ago, Anupama Chopra had done one interview with me where she had spoken about my brand kitty or brand portfolio, where I had said that for me, films are very important, but being part of different brands is also very important. So these 10 brands or 11 or 12 or 30 brands are not new. I've always been part of a Wow. Well, yeah, it's mostly traditional because I think Sia Ram stands for that. It is a traditional brand. It's so old, this brand, so we will always, I think, give importance to Indian ethnic wear first. Having said that, there are different campaigns that we're going to come up with. First is more young, then there is festive, there are different kinds of, they have all kinds of designs ready for us. So this is the first campaign and then you will see more and more and you'll see different clothes.